Meet the Amazon Echo Show 11, a smart display with immersive sound, a vibrant screen, and hands-free Alexa assistance. Enjoy entertainment, video calls, and smart home control in one sleek device. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Amazon Echo Show 11, power supply, and user manual. Product overview. How to use. Simply plug in and power on the Amazon Echo Show 11 to begin the setup process. Setup is quick and easy through the Alexa app by scanning a QR code, connecting to Wi-Fi, and signing into your Amazon account. Once ready, the Amazon Echo Show 11 provides weather updates, news, streaming apps, Alexa voice controls, smart home access, privacy features, and customizable widgets, though the touchscreen can feel slightly laggy compared to premium tablets. Smart features? A large, vibrant display delivers sharp visuals and rich colors for an enhanced viewing experience. It's perfect for streaming videos, browsing widgets, viewing photos, and controlling smart home devices with ease. A high-quality 13-megapixel camera keeps you centered automatically during video calls for a more natural experience. It delivers clear and smooth communication even when you move around. Delivers rich, balanced sound with dual full-range speakers and a powerful woofer. It fills the room with clear vocals, deep bass, and immersive audio for music, videos, and calls. Lets you control compatible smart home devices like lights, cameras, and thermostats from one screen. It works seamlessly with Alexa, making home automation quick, simple, and hands-free. Hands-free Alexa voice control provides quick answers, daily assistance, and smart home management. It also offers personalized widgets, routines, and smart suggestions to keep your day organized and efficient. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Amazon Echo Show 11 from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazon Echo Show 11. See you at the next one.